So today we're going to be writing the equation from a graph, which is not as difficult as it might initially seem. There are three things we need to know in order to write the equation from a graph. First one is h, the second one is k, and the third one is a. Okay? H and k are really easy to find. Remember, h, that is the x value for the vertex. Okay. K is the y value for the vertex. And A is our stretch, it's our dilation. As I was saying, A is our stretch / our dilation. Okay. So finding H and K, really simple. Okay. H and K. H, in this case, is the x value. H is 3. And K is our y value, so -2. Okay. H and K, super simple. A is a little trickier, but it's still not that bad. All we have to do is go from our vertex to the left or right 1. And we need to figure out how far up from that spot are we going. In this case, it's 2. So our A value is 2. It's not simple. Okay. Let's try another example. You don't need to make your graph. You can just follow along with what I'm doing here. Okay, so let's see. H equals 3, K equals 1, A equals, let's see, when we go over 1, we go down 1. So A equals -1. Okay, so finding A, H, and K is really simple. And once we have it, we're going to try 2 different examples where we're putting it into our equation. Okay, we're going to be putting it into vertex form. Y equals A times X minus H quantity squared plus K. We're just plugging in our values. Y equals, see, A equals 2. X minus H, 3 quantity squared minus 2. For our second example, we have Y equals -1 times X minus 3 quantity squared plus 1. Let's do one more, and this time we're going to put it into standard form. Okay, let's take a look at our graph. Okay, so A, H, K, whichever order you find these in. Let's see, H is -2, K is -1. Now A is a little trickier here, all right? If we go over 1, it's actually kind of hard to see exactly how far up we go. But if we go over 2, normally if we go over 2, we'd be going up 4. But in this case, we're going up 2. We're going half the amount we would normally expect from our 1, 4, 9, 16 pattern. We're going half of what we expect. So A equals 1/2. Okay. Now I said we're going to be putting this into standard form. That's not too tricky. We first have to put it into vertex form. So Y equals 1/2 times X minus -2. So minus and negative is plus 2 squared minus 1. From here, we're going to be squaring our binomial. Y equals 1/2 times X squared plus 4X plus 4 minus 1. Distribute the half. Y equals 1/2 x squared plus 2x plus 2 minus 1. So y equals 1/2 x squared plus 2x plus 1. Okay. I want you to find the equation of this next graph. I want it in standard form. Okay. Okay. Lockdown.